one of the most famous Thai soup in the world is Tom Yam. So there are many varieties of Tom Yam, from Tom Yam Goong, Tom Yam Pla, Tom Yam Gai, so many different variety of Tom Yam. But today I'm going to cook Tom Yam Goong, that's a prawn Tom Yam. Welcome to COVID cooking, home cooking during the lockdown, and I am Anggadewa. The least ingredient you need for Tom Yam is chilli, lemongrass, galangal, kaffir lime leaves, lemon juice, fish sauce, sugar, mushroom, shrimp stock, and shrimp or prawn or tiger prawn. First thing is to bring the shrimp stock into boil, and then when it starts to boil, chuck in galangal, lemongrass, chili, and kaffir lime leaf. Leave that boil for a minute or so. Chuck in the mushroom. So you really need a soft Asian mushroom, not a hard mushroom like button mushroom or shiitake. Bring it to boil for another half a minute, and that's ready now. After boiling for a minute, so the soup is ready now. What we need to do now is to turn the heat off and then add the rest of the ingredient or seasoning. In there goes 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice, half teaspoon of sugar, and of course the prawn. There you go, and give it a good stir. So now just leave the prawn in the soup and cover the soup for 1 minute or so to cook the prawn. If you like my video, please subscribe, like, and press the notification button below, so when there is a new video coming, so you get notified first thing. Thank you. It is very important to taste your soup, because the acidity of the lemon and the heat of the chili, they are totally different. So sometimes it's really hot, sometimes really sour, so you need to adjust. I think that's just perfect. Okay, we're going to serve it now.